up from where we left off in the earlier lecture, there are three main aspects of SEO: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. So let's start with on-page SEO. On-page SEO involves a number of actions that you can take on your website itself to improve your ranking. So in other words, it's the activity you do on your website to optimize your web content for your target audience and for search engines. Now, like every SEO action, the goal is obviously to increase your website ranking on search engines and generate organic traffic. For example, let's say you're a business coach who runs webinars for entrepreneurs. Now, to get the right group of people who are looking for coaching services to visit your website so that they can avail of your services, you will need to create content based on what they are searching for and what you are offering. So in this example, there could be possibly some of these keywords that they might type into search engines when they are looking for a business coach. Now, the process of identifying these search terms and creating content that matches that search is what on-page SEO is all about. Now, in order to create such useful and relevant content, there are a few aspects you must pay attention to closely. Some of these are probably what you may have already heard of: creating content using your target keywords, adding images that are relevant, creating content with a proper title and description, linking related content within your website wherever it makes sense to do that. This is what on-page SEO is all about. Now let's dig deeper into each of these so that you have a better understanding of on-page SEO.